Rotations, you basically had the same hours as your preceptor. So I never had any overnight shifts on mine, but it just depended. My longest shift was on OB/GYN. We had one day where we had 3 deliveries. So we had 1 C-section and 2 moms were in labor. So we ended up being there. I think I got there at 5 or 6 a.m. for the first C-section. We had a whole clinic day of patients, and then we were back and forth at the hospital, and then the moms ended up delivering that night. I was there till I think 12:30 or 1 a.m. It was such a long day, but I got to see so much cool stuff that it was definitely worth the experience of staying there. And I had a great preceptor for OB/GYN. My next, I guess, longest hours would have probably been emergency medicine. But they were normal ER shifts. I just wasn't really used to it. So we would have like 4 12-hour days in a row. And so that was kind of, just tired.